All right, let's get this video started. Rolling out. Tired as can be. Yeah, it's like Saturday. Early. The sun just came up. Grab our bags. Throw them here in the truck. Phil just showed up. About to roll out. You brought an umbrella, huh?
Umbrella.
Oh, the thing in the bottom. umbrella. You got any room for that stuff there?
Oh yeah. Bunch of suitcase.
Yeah, vintage.
Bunch of hooligan.
My hooligan hat.
Yeah, hooligan hat.
It's pretty good.
I didn't bring mine. I brought my napa hat.
You want a spare? I got a spare. It's gonna be big.
I don't know if I can really hit that hard or not.
I mean, come on now. Adam wore his at that beer festival.
I'm dying.
No. Oh yeah, we'll be good there.
Do you want to put any of this in the truck? Or?
No, I should be good for today. Because today I got, I already done upload yesterday's video, so.
Go ahead. Perfect.
Alright, so let's roll out, guys. Grab the key here. Alright, leaving out, guys. It's pretty early. Sun's up. Let's roll up out of here. We're gonna get some beer at the store. And grab some of that stuff. Trying to wake up. Got about an hour and a half of sleep. Hour and 15 minutes. Phil said he got about, what'd you say, Phil?
I got 3 hours.
Phil got the good old 3 hours, which is good.
Total of 4 hours. Perfect.
A total of 4 hours between both of us.
That's about the right amount.
Thanks, Applebee's.
Yeah.
I mean, usually we don't eat Applebee's, but we did last night. Wasn't bad, but alright. See you guys later on.
Working?
Oh, yeah. Gotta get ice. Bulk.
Gotta beat the shit out of the button.
No, we're good.
Yeah, the last time, therefore, if they go to Charlotte, they had to beat the shit out of that button.
Oh, really? This one?
Yeah. Very violent.
They out of bags? Oh, yeah.
Oh, you get 20
For $2. Want more? That's about.
Yeah, I think so.
I think that's all we need.
Anywhere else is about them
Yeah.
bags, top them off.
Yeah, I think we're good. You got it? You got it.
It's not 20 pounds worth.
Yeah, update. We ain't made it to Rockwell, and the truck cut off on us twice in the driveway. Phil says that's acceptable, so we're good. We're rolling. Yeah, we're rolling out. I think we got enough spare parts to fix whatever does happen. It's just, we'll be fine. We got us update on our speedometer action, Phil.
That's pretty good.
Up there and up top.
Another mile an hour.
Yeah.
The RPM calculator I got up there.
Yeah, Phil's got NASCAR style. So I get the focus. We got the RPMs matched up with the speed that's been officially, as you can see, officially done. In case the speedometer goes out, because we kind of know how road trips go time to time. Right, Phil?
Right.
Yeah. Several road trips we've been on, I know it brings back memories of my motorcycle that, yeah, the speedometer was gone before we pretty much got to the state, and then on the way back the tack was gone, and that was a lot of fun. Somehow I was leading the whole time too, so. We're gonna get fuel here in Rockwell, and top her off and see what kind of mileage this thing gets, since we've pretty much changed the tire size on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, tire size. These had a 31 on it, and now it's 27? 28s. So, what are we doing here?
Beer, ain't we?
I don't know if they have it here.
We'll look real quick.
That's fine. Yeah.
You got your fancy stuff?
Yeah, my fancy. Yeah,
Fancy local crafted nail.
yeah, we're doing a beer run.
Red Oaks.
You run in? I can just run in. Look.
Oh, yeah, you can do that.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Pull the fire line.
Well, that was easy because they're not up until 7. That's how it goes.
You're going to shopping early.
I don't know. I guess if you need groceries before 7.
like an elf farmer around here. Hell, you ain't gonna do
You
nothing.
ain't doing nothing if you need something.
Guess you have your own shift as a farmer.
Yeah, I guess so.
Restroom ain't gonna run.
Alright, first fuel stop for today. We're on the other side of the gorge, Tennessee now. Phil, what do you think gallon-wise? Miles per gallon?
Oh, miles per gallon?
Yeah, miles per gallon.
I guess it's probably around 15. I don't know.
I think she's got 18 in her today.
Think so?
Yeah.
We'll find out.
We pulled Black Mountain, about 55 mile an hour. And through the gorge, we're rolling pretty good, so.
It's just
It's a little sensitive. It's 273, that ain't too bad.
no. I think it was 269 by the house.
How was it?
Yeah, so ain't much. That's difference.
Not bad. We are opting for the 87 because it is a 78 model. Anything likes 87. I mean, it ain't gonna matter.
So we got about 7.5 compression.
Yeah.
Less than that now, because it's got a whole bunch of miles on it.
Yeah. Got the emissions.
It might have been lower than that on these trucks. They were stupid low compression.
They're pretty low. Did pretty good though. Morning. Of course, when you get out.
Yeah.
Of course, when you get out, right? I think it's getting it.
Not really, I got about half. The only pump about half speed. Well, it wants to damn back up in the neck and fix it off all the time.
Okay. What are we doing over there?
I can
Having too much fun.
relocate.
He is going right here to this little pump.
I was talking about moving, because you got the macros and all in the back, hot spring and
I
clothes.
thought you said nitrous.
That should be cool. Oh, it's kind of popped off.
Are we topped off?
I don't think we didn't use as much as we thought.
That's good.
Yeah, that's it.
That's her.
I'll round it off, I guess. Well, it really throws it off. Alright. Well, that wasn't bad.
No.
Oh, we use more gas now. She gauge this is a little white cattywampus.
What's the odometer on it?
The odometer says 12,432.
Well, what did you have on it before?
I'm gonna find out.
Let's see what she's got.
12,253.
12,253 minus what?
Oh, 12,432.
179 miles. And so
I want to go and get gas while I was here.
12.048.
To get precise.
You got, what'd you say?
What did I say?
I don't know.
I think I fit 15.
14.85.
Damn, I was right there on it.
Golly, you're good.
I know my truck pretty good.
Yeah, so we're looking at about 15 miles a gallon coming through the mountains. Feels pretty spot on in the truck. So that's pretty good though. We're gonna be pretty happy with that. So
Yeah, pretty different.
we'll roll out of here.
Mountain drive.
Yeah, quick update. Here at the 256 exit, we're about 75 miles away from Bowling Green, and truck got 16.4 miles to the gallon. We figured our odometer's off. We're off by about 8.6% on the odometer. Doing some highway checking on that, but truck's doing great. We're gonna get some Wendy's behind us here. We're the pilot, and should be there rolling here in a bit.
G-body wagon. Could have been us, Keith.
Could have been.
All shaped door handles and all. Wild 305. Really all that wild.
It wasn't that wild at all, really. We made the Bowling Green, a little bit of rainstorm, and wasn't that bad. We checked into the hotel, everything went good there. We're right by the pool, so might jump in the pool later on, but we're rolling into the event now. We have the cars here. Everybody's rolling out because the rain's hit, and everybody's got their credentials. So
Radar. Cadillac. Oh yeah.
All these people are spectators too that show up to view, that come to see the show rolls in, and it was here last year, so kind of like the locals know what to expect. Towns the rest of the week probably won't know what to expect at all, but line's pretty long coming out. The line earlier on Facebook was saying that it was pretty bad going in. There's only one way in and one way out.
Dually van? Hell yeah.
It was a dually van.
40 pickup.
Anyways, we get there and check in, I'll grab the camera and we'll see if we can see what's still going on at the event. So we finally got our credentials. They're on the windshield over there.
I'm half-assed stuck to the windshield.
Yeah, we came in and then we had to go back out.
Yeah.
You know how that goes. Old ass roller coaster. Rolling in the Beach Bend Raceway Park. A lot of people rolling out. Getting kind of late. We gotta get our stuff stamped. So.
Alright. Better park anywhere. Where's the main stage at?
Oh, okay. What are you saying?
I'm here with the main Urban Roller Express. Is that the guy from down? What you call it?
Look at your four-door truck over there. Dodge square body.
My park there.
Yeah, that's my part.
Oh my goodness. I think it's our boy from Concord.
Is it? Corvette guys. Alright guys, so here we are, stage lanes of the drag strip here. Pretty cool there, running these things back to back. And if you have a ticket, if you guys paid for the entries to the Hot Rod Power Tour, it's all included. Every venue has some type of like autocross or drag race or something going on. Here had autocross too, I don't know where it was set up, we just didn't make it to it. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. See you next video. See you tomorrow, hopefully.